welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I am super excited, as you can see from the title down below. Today we have our August 2019 Bauble mail. For those of you that do not know what Bauble mail is, I'm gonna tell you. So it is an earring subscription where you receive fun and unique earrings for only $8.95 a month. That's right, only $8.95. In fact, the pair that I have on is from Bauble mail. So I'm gonna tell you what their page says, and then we'll get into unboxing. So it says, let us help you discover your new favorite earrings each month. Each month you get a new pair of boutique quality earrings to make your favorite outfits really shine. Boutique quality earrings carefully selected just for you. All earrings have a retail value of $15 to $24 for only $8.95 a month. It ships fast, usually within 3 to 5 business days. That is for your first order. After that, they do bill on the first of every month, and then they ship out the first week of the month. And it is free shipping, so that is awesome. So you're only paying $8.95. Can't beat it. And you can choose between classic gold, classic silver, trendy gold, trendy silver, or surprise me. Now I believe I went with the trendy silver, but we're gonna get in here and we're gonna see what we got for August 2019. Now, one thing I love about the subscription is usually there is always some type of little treat in here, which is always fun, because it is actually the same owner of Rebecca Mail and Lip Service, which she always does that, and I think it's so awesome and amazing. She always puts like a little candy or something, just a little extra treat, and I just think it's really nice that she takes the time to do that kind of as a thank you. So let's get in here and see. I've not been disappointed in any of the earrings I have received from Bauble Mail. I do get this sent to me, so thank you so much to Bauble Mail for that. I greatly appreciate it. I've actually, the pair I have on has actually kind of become one of my favorite go-to earrings. So it's like sticking to me. Okay. All right, so there is our box. Here's our little treat for the month. So it's a little lollipop. And this is strawberry. This is a strawberry flavored little lollipop. Yum. All right. I'm not gonna put it on me. So it always comes in this cute little sachet like this. There is always a cute little card like you saw there on the front. And it will always have a little quote and then something from her on the back. So it says, smell the roses. It says, in our fast-paced world, we can forget to take a minute and embrace the simple joys. Take more time to stop and breathe it all in. Love, Rebecca. So, and then it always says, tuck this card someplace you'll see it this month to be reminded. So I think that is super cute. And then we have our earrings. So they do always come in this black box like this. Ooh. Okay. I like these. So they do always come here on this Bauble Mail little paper. These are super cute. I don't really have any full hoops. You can see these are full hoops. I do like the size of these because they're big enough that you're gonna see them, but they're not like super huge and bulky. But they're different. Do you see that? How they like go little to big? That is so adorable. I absolutely love those. Like, so much. So you will definitely be seeing these in some future videos, and they are not heavy at all, which is one thing I do love about the Bauble Mail earrings. Any of the ones that I have received, and now even receiving hoops that you see do have extra here on the bottom, they're not heavy. They do not irritate my ears in any way, and I have super, super sensitive ears. So to say that they don't irritate them, that is saying something. So if you have sensitive ears, I can almost guarantee you that you will not have any problems with the Bauble Mail earrings. And like I said, they've always been so cute. I have not been disappointed in any pair. I love them. Like I said, this is one of my favorite pair of earrings, period, and it's from Bauble Mail. It's like, I think this is the second pair I received from them. and it's just absolutely amazing. And I think for $8.95, you can't beat it. So I will definitely put a link down below. So go ahead over, check out Bauble Mail. If you want some cute earrings, definitely sign up. And then, like I said, you always get a fun little treat too. So let me know down below what you think. I'm super excited about these. Like I said, you will definitely be seeing these in videos coming up. So I'm very happy with my August 2019 Bauble Mail. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, don't forget about our 4,000, I'm going back in time, our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end on the 15th. So head over, check that out, and make sure to enter if you have not already. So again, have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.